What's happening, everybody? We are back in Surfside Beach, South Carolina, right on the corner of Ocean Boulevard and Surfside Drive to check out the new construction of the Surfside Pier on this June 3rd, I do believe. If you love the beach just as much as we do, make sure you click that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you keep beaching. See the concrete pillars. Let's walk out toward the ocean a little bit. So we'll go under the breezeway of the Surfside Beach Oceanfront Hotel to get beach access. So right now it's around 73 degrees and they said it's going to be around 80 today and sunny. So we'll wait on that. Right now there's a lot of clouds. See just how cloudy it is. There's the sun right there. But it's supposed to clear up. So to give you a little background in case you're wondering, this is a storm surge protection pier. It's supposed to be 10 feet higher than the one that was previously here that got torn down by Hurricane Matthew in 2016. There's some people already out. About almost 9 o'clock in the morning here, and they're actually under construction. We caught them in the act. So I do believe the last time we were here they didn't have some of the structures, or at least this many, on top of the pier. It said that the estimated cost is going to be $14 million, or around $14 million, so let's just assume they're still within budget. Here's a look at Garden City. Concrete supported structure. So it's really not a good day for filming, as last night a big storm came through, and you can tell by the wetness of the beach sand here. But they said it's supposed to blow over in a couple hours. We'll see. There's Scotty's Beach Bar. Pretty neat. So the parking is still taken up by the construction, but if you want to come this way, there's plenty of parking behind the beachwear store, Gracious Pig, and the soon-to-be Chimichama Llama. Right across the street. Behind all these. So there was an article the other day, I'm not sure what it was on, but they said that they're hoping to have it actually completed by March of 2023, which is a little bit past the deadline, but at least it will be completed. And I was told that they were going to put planking in between certain sections, so if high winds did hit it, or a hurricane, it could pop the planks out instead of having to stress on the entire pier pulling it down. And going north, there's Myrtle Beach. Thank you for watching this June update of the Surfside Pier. And as always, keep beaching.